Hey everyone! Did you know that changing how you think can actually change your whole life?
That's right. Today we're talking about mindset. That means the way you think about things.
I'm your host, and welcome to the Simple English Podcast. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications.
So, what exactly is mindset?
Good question. Mindset is your attitude, it's how you see the world. For example, if you fail a test, you can think, I'm so stupid, or I can learn and do better next time.
Exactly. The second way of thinking is a positive mindset. It helps you grow.
Let me give you a real example. My friend Sarah wanted to learn guitar. At first, she said, I can't do this, it's too hard.
Oh no, that's a negative mindset.
Yes, but then she changed her thinking. She said, I can't do this yet, but I will practice every day.
And what happened?
After 3 months, she could play 5 songs. Amazing, right?
Wow, that's the power of mindset. Hey listeners, tell us in the comments, what's something you want to learn but think is too difficult?
Great question. And remember to subscribe to the Simple English Podcast if you haven't already.
Now, let's talk about two types of mindset. First is fixed mindset. This means you think you cannot change.
For example, I'm bad at math. I will always be bad at math. That's fixed mindset.
The second type is growth mindset. This means you believe you can learn and get better.
Like saying, I'm not good at math now, but I can get better with practice.
Which mindset do you have, listeners? Comment below and share your thoughts.
Here's another example from daily life. Imagine you're learning English and you make a mistake when speaking.
With a fixed mindset, you might think, everyone is laughing at me. I should stop speaking English.
But with a growth mindset, you think, making mistakes helps me learn. I'll try again.
That's so important for language learning.
Absolutely. So, how do we change our mindset? Here are 3 simple steps. Step
1. Notice your negative thoughts. When you think, I can't do this, stop and notice it.
Step 2, add the word yet to your sentence. Change I can't do this now to I can't do this yet.
That's such a simple but powerful trick.
Step 3, focus on progress, not perfection. Even small improvements are important.
For example, if you learn just 5 new English words today, that's progress. Celebrate it.
Comment below, what's one small progress you made this week? We want to hear from you.
And don't forget to share this video with your friends who are learning English too.
Let's practice some useful phrases about mindset. Repeat after us.
I can do this if I try.
Mistakes help me learn.
I am getting better every day.
Practice makes progress.
These are great phrases to say to yourself every morning.
Remember, your mindset affects everything. Your learning, your work, your relationships, your happiness.
If you change your mindset, you really can change your life.
All right, let's do our vocabulary review. Here are the key words we learned today.
Mindset, the way you think about things, your attitude.
Attitude, your feelings and thoughts about something.
Fixed mindset, thinking you cannot change or improve.
Growth mindset, believing you can learn and get better.
Progress, getting better, moving forward, improving.
Perfection, being completely perfect with no mistakes.
Celebrate, to be happy about something good.
Practice using these words this week.
Thank you so much for listening to the Simple English Podcast.
Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications. We make new videos every week to help you speak English fluently.
Tell us in the comments, what will you change about your mindset today?
See you in the next episode. Keep learning, keep growing.
Bye, everyone.
Bye!